All right. So children, let me tell you that we have with us Janani ma'am, who's going to be your mentor throughout this program. She is a very experienced and knowledgeable trainer, and I'm sure you'll have fun learning sessions with her. So Janani ma'am, it's a request. Kindly introduce yourself to the children. So all over to you, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, hello kids, everybody. How are you? Hope you're all doing good. I'm really excited to see all your bright faces, happy faces. Fine. So, are you all interested, excited to learn new things in this session? Yes. Okay. So, yeah, this, as you all know, we are in logical reasoning session demo. Right now, what do you mean by logical reasoning generally? Any comments can I get? Nobody? Okay, fine. Probably you don't. It helps to open your brain. Open your brain. Okay, fine. Okay. So I think you're a little shy because you do not know anything about me. So probably let me begin by introducing myself. So this is Janani Bhaskar, and I will be your logical reasoning tutor. And we will have sessions in such a way that apart from logical reasoning, we will also be learning some fun facts, fun related activities and all that. So I'm pretty sure that we are all going to learn something new in the session along with some exciting games. So are you all ready for that? Yes, very good. Okay, so yeah, so thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, children, I would request Rajan sir to kindly take you through a very short PPT, which will help you get some really important information for this induction program, and then followed by a virtual tour of the dashboard. So, Rajan sir, all over to you.
Sure, ma'am. Let me share my screen. So, welcome students. Welcome to the demo of reasoning, grade 5-6. Okay. So, before I give you induction about Olympiad success, let's solve one question. So, can you tell me which figure out of the following is odd one out? You can write your answer in the chat box, but with a reasoning, because it's a reasoning session. So you need to give a reason why the correct option is A, B, C, D, or E. You can write in the chat box. Anyone? A and D with a question mark. Okay, Tisha. So can you give the reasoning also? Why A and D? Any other answer, students? No? Come on, you can attempt.
So, Aditya is giving two answers.
Because others are repeated figures. Others are repeated figures. That is correct, but there is only one correct answer. Aditya, for today's session, everyone will be on mute, so you can type in the chat box. But in your regular classes, you can you will be unmuted and you can answer directly. Okay. For today, you can write in the chat box. Ritisha, your answer is not correct because there is only one correct answer. Not A and D both are correct. Yes. Any other student want to try? No? Okay, no problem. Let's see the answer. The correct answer is option D. Now, why it is option D? If you see this options, if we add the number of sides of each figure. So for the first case, for option A, The sum of the sides will be 5 plus 3, it is equal to 8. For figure B, it is equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. For option C, it will be 3 plus 3 equal to 6. For option D, it is equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And for option E, it is equal to 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Here the sum of all option is even except option D. Option D, the sum is 7, that is odd. So the correct option is B here. Okay, students? So in this reasoning classes, we are going to learn how to solve this kind of questions and what are the logical thinking, how to think logically so that we can answer this kind of question. Okay. Now let me brief you about Olympiad Success. Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes and this year third year in live classes. Students, we also have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else? We also offer online CBSE classes for grade 6 to 12 and one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, PMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JMIN preparation classes. Now meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international ranks. Okay. Now students about this course. So there will be around 20 students in the classes and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So there will be 2 sessions per week. The days will be Thursday and Saturday. And the class timing is 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. So the class duration will be 75 minutes. Okay. Now the session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year paper. And students, you will get reading material and practice question, which is available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And students, you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform for topic-wise mock test for reasoning. Okay. Now the syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. The fees for this course is 6,800 and there will be 32 sessions. The fees include online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year paper. And like I said, you will get access to the Olympiad Success platform for logical reasoning topic-wise mock test. Okay. Now to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed. And students, as you know, like the preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum. So student will be required to spend approx 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum. And parent support will be needed to check answers and retrieve concepts. Okay, students. So the live classes for this course will start from 18th of August. And currently we having students from 3,800 school and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now I will give you a tour of Olympiad Success dashboard. Okay, how it looks like, where you can check your content. Let me share my screen again. So once you register for this course, we will share the credentials with you. Your own credentials. Now I'm logging with mine. Like I said, you will get reading material, practice questions, and then just showing you, okay, where it is and how it looks like. In the live classes, all the content is there. You just need to choose your subject firstly, that is Reasoning Olympiad. So here you can see the schedule, like on which session, which topic we are going to cover. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. So this is a session-wise schedule, and after each and every topic, there will be a test. Okay, and students, in the end, there are super classes. These are the super classes. In the super classes, we are going to discuss previous year paper of Olympiads. Okay, when you select a topic here, any topic, these are the all topics we are going to discuss in this course. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material and practice questions. You can go to the reading material after the classes for the revision and you can practice questions here. These are the answers. Now, besides practice questions, reading material, there are topic-wise worksheets are also available. Like I said, you can access the worksheets here. So you just need to choose your subject, that is logical reasoning. So these are the topic-wise worksheet. Okay. So you can attempt each and every worksheet 3 times. Just click on take exam. And here all worksheets are in the form of exam so that you can get experience. And students, in the performance tab, you can check anytime you want your performance for each and every worksheet you have attempted. Okay, the analytics, like how many questions you have attempted, how many are correct, how many are wrong. Okay, you will get the correct analytics here. Just click on detailed result for each and every worksheet you've attempted, and you can see the analytics here. And when you click on review, you can see the correct answer and the answer you have marked. Okay, and the explanation. So this is about the dashboard of Olympiad success. Now, if anyone have any doubt, any query, you can type in the chat box. Anyone have any query, any doubt?
Please feel free to ask.
No doubt from me. Okay, Ritisha?
Nishtha, any doubts?
No doubt. Okay, Diti also don't have any doubt. Okay, Nishtha is showing thumbs up. I think Nishtha also don't have any doubt.
Sarah,
Okay, okay. Okay, so I have one question for you. If you don't have, let me ask one questions to you. So can you tell me, like, what are the days on which you have the classes? Doubt are there, sir? Yes, Nishtha, you can type your doubts. We'll answer that. Yes, Sarah, the days are correct, Thursday and Saturday. So we have classes on Thursday and Saturday. Yes, yes, Aditya, correct. We have classes on Thursday and Saturday. Nishtha, are you typing? Nishtha, do you have a doubt? So can you please type in the chat box?
What about the rest? Do you have any query? Anything that you want to ask? This is the time to ask. Please ask.
So where can I find this recording? So how it is, this demo recording you're saying about? So are you talking about demo recording? Okay, so it is on our Facebook page. Let me share the link. So I've shared some links there. So there is a Facebook page. Okay, you can copy that link. So there you can find this recording. Okay. It is clear, Nishtha? Okay.
Any other doubt?
Okay, then let me ask one more questions to them, Monica ma'am.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, so can you tell me the timing of the classes? Type in the chat box. Let's see you remember.
Let's see who answers first. Aditya and Sarah.
6:30 to 7:45, but it is AM or PM? Yes, Ritisha. It's 6:30 to 7:45 PM. Yes, Aditya, PM. The class timing is 6:30 to 7:45 PM. Okay, okay. I think this is fine. So, Monica ma'am, shall we start with the demo then?
Yes.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, over to you, Janni ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Fine. Okay, so one moment. Okay. Okay, so good evening, everybody. Hope you're all doing fine. So, shall we start with the demo? All of you, show me a thumbs up sign if you're ready for that. All of you ready? Okay, good, very good. So to do logical reasoning, actually to begin with, since you had no, I mean, you didn't have much questions, okay, when the podium was open for you to question, I have a lot of questions for you, right? So beginning with, why do you think logical reasoning is important, people? What is the reason for that? Anybody in the chat box? Nishita, yes, Nishita, you can always give the answer in the chat. And in the classes, you can definitely unmute yourself and give the answer. Yeah. Any answer? It increases your puzzle solving skills. Very good, Sarah. That's good. Anything else? Okay, we use it for daily use. Okay, very good. Okay, what do we need actually to to solve reasoning questions? High IQ level. Okay, you will become super smart. Okay, take right decisions and come up with new ideas. Okay, good. So very good. So most of the exams have reasoning questions and are not covered in school. Very good, Sarah. Good. See, reasoning is a very important part of your education, but sadly, yeah, as Sarah said, it's not covered in many schools as a part of academics, right? But have you ever heard this one saying that I mean, do you believe that common sense is important for reasoning? Yeah. Yes. How many of you just raise your hand if you agree that common sense is important to solve your reasoning questions? Okay. Okay. So all of you agree, right? Okay. But you might have also heard the sayings that common sense is not always common, right? It's not actually commonly found among people. It's not easily found among your the group of people that we are with, right? So common sense is something which we will have to develop internally by practice, and by enhancing that, reasoning will also become easy for you. But reasoning is totally a different concept altogether, right? For example, okay, let me begin with a very small question. Okay, so okay, if I am including, I mean, if I'm adding a triangle and cone, sorry, triangle and circle, I get a cone. Now, what tool should I add to get a cylinder? I mean, what tool should I add to get a cylinder structure or cylinder shape? It requires pure intelligence, formula. Very good, Aditya. That's right. Circle and rectangle. Okay. Circle and rectangle. Two circles and a rectangle. Very good, Sarah. Now, you call that as a circle or an oval? For cone to be formed, you will include a triangle and a circle, or a triangle and an oval. Which one? Oval. So what all the things that you require to frame a cylinder? Two ovals and a rectangle. Very good. Two ovals and one rectangle is what we need to form a cylinder. Okay, fine. Now, see, what I gave you is an example, right? I gave you an example of how cone is formed. Now, using that, you are trying to apply your knowledge and get another new one. Now, this is exactly how your creativity works, right? You know something, you have something in your mind, and you think about it, you create something new and you produce it. That's what you actually term as creativity, which is really very important when it comes to logical reasoning. And of course, this will definitely help you to increase your thinking capacity or your imagination or your problem solving skills, right? Okay, now you know there are a lot of topics that is there in logical reasoning, like analogy, you have coding, decoding, you have blood relations, and you have directions and all that. You have a lot of topics to deal with that. Now, which one will be your favorite one? Which of these is a favorite topic for you all? Coding, decoding, okay. Blood relations, okay. Ritisha said coding, okay. Aditya said analogy, okay. Now, all these are actually equally interesting, equally engaging. So we are going to begin that only, like from the beginning. I mean, the first answer I got from you guys was coding, decoding. So let me begin from coding, decoding, okay. Now, coding, decoding is a very interesting topic, as you all said. Now, the first question I'm going to ask you when it comes to coding, decoding is that, okay, if race car is coded as race car, right? How will you code the word silence? If race car is coded as race car, how will you code the word silence? Silence only. Silence. Good, Aditya. Sarah, silence only. Very good. But Aditya, your answer is different. What Aditya said was ECNELIS. This was the answer given by Aditya. Let's check which is right. Okay. Now, can someone try reading the word race car from the right side? What is this word? That will still be pronounced as race car only, right? So this is a palindrome word. Palindrome words are something which will be read the same even when pronounced from the right side. So race car is coded as race car, not just like writing the same letters. Even when I reverse the letters, I got the same one, right? Now reverse the letters of silence, you get ECNELIS. So this is the answer. This is a way where the word silence is coded. Now, this is important. It's very easy to think, right? But thinking differently or thinking out of the box will help you to reach heights. It will help you to stand out of the crowd. Okay. So yeah. So this is one question. And how good are you guys in number coding? I mean, if I give you letter A, what is the place value of A? A is the first letter, B is the second letter, something like that. So A's place value will be 1. So that is easy. Everybody will tell me. Okay. Now, what is the place value of L? Don't count A, B, C, D, F, G, H. Don't count it. What is the place value of L? Just think. 11. You're very close, Anya. Good, Bharati. Good, Ritisha. Okay. Now, find a number that rhymes with 12. Find a number that rhymes with 12. Sorry, I gave the answer. Find a number that rhymes with L, and that is 12. Right? So L will be having its place value as 12. So if L is 12, what is K? Will be 11. Right? So all of you know this IPL team Kings 11 Punjab. Yeah, so you can remember K as 11 using the IPL team Kings 11 Punjab. Okay. Well, now what is the place value of T? What is the place value of T? 19? Good, Aditya. Very close. Good, Ritisha. Very close. T's place value will be 20. You remember the game T20 cricket? So T stands for 20. Okay, so there are certain ways where you can easily remember the place value of certain letters, and I'm here to tell you some interesting tricks to remember the letters. Now, does any of you have a friend named Jyoti? Does anyone have a friend named Jyoti? If not, create a friend Jyoti who has an initial E, right? So for decoding, E Jyoti is your best friend, and all these letters of your friend will take the multiple of 5. E stands for 5, J10, O15, T20, Y25. So all these letters takes multiples of 5 as their place value. Did you understand this, all of you? Yes? Yeah? Okay. Now, yeah. How many of you know sign language? Sign language. Okay, how will you show M using sign language? M. Like this? Okay. Very easily with one hand, how will you show M? That's A. This is A. No problem, Nidisha. See, M usually you will represent with 3 fingers this way. Okay, so how many fingers do you use for M? 3. So put 3 and add a 1 before, making M as 13th letter. Okay, and W will be the inverted form of M. For that also you are using 3 fingers, but instead of 1 you put 2, so W will be 23rd letter. Okay, and how will you represent victory using sign language? V. How many fingers? 2. So 2 twos. So that is V is 22. Okay, so V takes the place value 22. Okay. 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 When do you get the right to vote? Right to vote? At the age of 18. So R stands for 18. Right? R means you should remember right to vote, and that will be the age of 18. Right? So there are a lot of ways where you can easily remember the place value of these letters. And this is the place value. You can even remember the pair of letters. For example, if A is related to Z, B is related to Y, what will G be related to? What will G be related to? Is it X? No. Okay. See, I'll give you certain words. You're going to repeat it after me. Okay. So the first word is Azad. So A and Z is the first letter and the last letter. Now boy. Azad is a boy. Right? So B and Y are the second letters from first and last respectively. Okay. And then you can use the word cracks. So C and X are the third letters from the first and the last respectively. Okay. Now similarly, can you find for G? All of you are? Great. So G and T are the 7th letters from the left and right respectively. So before even you join, okay, I give you a homework. Okay. So the homework is very simple. Okay. You are going to find certain words. Definitely you should not refer internet or anything. Okay. You have to sit. You can find any names, or you can find your the words that you know which has letters like this. For example, the word I chose was Azad. Right? It had A and Z. And the word I chose for the second one was B and Y, which is boy. Right? Now, similarly for G and T, I chose the word great. right? So you can choose 13 words such that it will have A and one word will have A and Z, second word will have B and Y, then it will have C and X, then it will have D and W, and it goes on, right? So like that, you have to find words so that it will be easy for you to remember the reverse letter of the alphabets. These are what we call as reverse letter of alphabets. The first letter to the last letter. This is a reverse letter, right? So did you understand the reverse letter concept? Yeah. Okay. Now can we do one question like that? Yes. Okay. Now listen carefully. Okay. Now, if I am coding the word mobile as FMJCPN, how will I code the word laptop? Okay. Anya, you're very close to the answer, Anya. But check the way you have written the answer. Is it right or should it be reversed? Check it again. Okay. Now, just now I told you, what is the place value of M using 3 fingers? M's place value will be 13. Very good. O will be in Ejyoti. O takes 15. And A, B takes 2. I takes 9. L rhymes with what? 12. Good. And E takes 5. Now, these are the place values of the letters of the word mobile. Now, let's write for this. Do you know fix rhymes with 6? So, F takes 6. Okay, so M is 13. In Ejyoti, J will be 10. C will be 3, P will be 16, N will be 14. Now, having written the place value of all these letters, are you able to identify the logic? This is 5, this is 6. This is 12, plus 1 will be 13. 9 plus 1 will be this 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 15 plus 1, 16. 13 plus 1 will be 14. Right? So I am writing the next letter in the alphabetical series in the reverse order of the word. Okay, what is the next letter to P? Q. Next letter to O? Very good, Anya. What is the next letter to O? P. Next letter to T? Next letter to P? Q. A will be B, and next letter to L will be M. So the answer becomes Q, P, U, Q, A, B, M. So the answer is this. Okay, now what is the next letter to Z? What is the next letter to Z? Is it Y? No. The next letter. Very good, Aditya. Very good, Sarah. The next letter to Z will be A. Okay, so always you have to treat the letters in a circular manner so that it comes to the original position. Okay, very good. Now, this is one form of coding decoding questions. Now, since you told me your analogy is also equally interesting, now let me step on to analogy. Let's have few questions in dealt in analogy. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. I'll give you a question. Okay. If doctor is related to stethoscope, okay, I wanted to find a similar analogy to this. Okay, and I'm giving you options. Okay, teacher, classroom, brush painter, then carpenter, wood, or it could be beautician, kits, makeup kit or whatever. So which of these will be more relevant to the above word? Sorry. Okay. Very good. The answer is beautician kit. I'm sorry, I just went wrong with spelling. So that's beautician is kit. Very good. Now teacher, see now stethoscope is a tool used by a doctor. So the first one is the professional and the tool used by the professional is the second word. Now can you choose brush and painter? You have the same one, the tool and the professional. So why can't we use that? Because the first one is the tool and next comes the professional. But according to the question, the first one that you must use is the professional and then the tool, right? So the answer is this. Okay. Okay. Now next question. Okay, I will not give you options for this. Okay. So if dove is to peace, what will be wheel meant for? Wheel. Okay, I'll give you options. Wheel is meant for the riot. It can be for fortune. It can be for progress. Or it can be for luck. Which one? Oh, fortune and luck mean the same. Okay. So misfortune. So which one? Progress. Okay. White dove. It's white dove. Good, Aditya. Very good. Good, Asara. So dove is a symbol of peace, right? So wheel must be a symbol of progress. Very good. So this is a noun which is used to which is a symbolification of the second one, right? So this is the relation among these words. Now this is another form of analogy question. Okay. So are you able to get this? Yeah. Okay. Can we go for the next question? Okay. Okay, now I'll give you a coding decoding question. Okay, fine. If house is coded as 815211195, then how should I code the word school? Give me the answer. Yes, will be. Very good. It's just the place value of the letters. Now H is 8, 15 will be for O, U will have 21, S will be 19, and E is 5. So find in that way the code for school, all of you. Good, very good. Good, Sarah. Good, Aditya. Very good. So the answer will be yes is 19, C is 3, H is 8, O is 15, and this O is 15 again, and L will be 12. So the answer is 1938151512. Are you clear, all of you? Okay, can we go for one last question in coding decoding? That will be interesting. My favorite question, or my favorite type actually. Okay, so the question is this. BOTTLE is coded as 262235. Now, how should I code the word? Window. Anyone got the logic? Please raise your hand if you've got the logic. Good, Aditya. Then please type the answer. I'll check it out. Okay. Yes, Nishita, please type the answer. No, Anya, I'm sorry. Please check it again. Okay, write the place value of all the letters in the word bottle. Very good, Sarah. Good. Okay, so this is okay. I'll write the place value of these letters, which is a hint for you. This is 2, 15, 20, 20, 12, and 5. Now this is the hint. What should you do with 15 to get 6? What should you do to 15 to get 6? Good, Aditya. Very good. Very good. You got to add. 1 plus 5 will be 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is, did you understand the logic, Ritisha? Sarah? Yeah, all of you understood? Yeah. So now find the code for the word window. So window W is 23, I is 9, N is 14, D is 4, O 15, W is 23 again. So the code will be okay, Anya, I will explain. Wait, I have just written the place value. Okay, I have just written the place value of all the letters given here. Okay, now what I'm doing is O's place value is 15, right? Since it has got 2 digits, since the place value has got 2 digits, I am making it into 1 digit. Okay, now see, 1 plus 5 will be 6. Okay, now 20, it is also having 2 digits, so I am adding. But see, for the letter E, it has only 1 digit, so I just directly wrote it. Did you understand? Yeah, now try it for window. So window 23 has got 2 digits. So 2 plus 3, I will get 5. 9 is only 1 digit, so I'm just writing it as it is. N will be 14, which is 2 digits. So I'm adding. 1 plus 4 is 5. D4, so I'm writing it. So O is 15. So what is 1 plus 5? 6. And 23, just the same thing. So the answer will be 595465. Did you understand, all of you? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Now, what if a place value was 3 digit? What will you do? Add twice, add 3 of them. Okay. But what if it's a 3-digit? Anybody else? Come on, how many letters do we have in the alphabet? How many letters do we have in alphabet? Very good, Sarah. There is only 26 letters. So there cannot be any 3-digit value of a place. You cannot find a 3-digit place value. Can you find, guys? No, right? So that's the thing. Okay. So before we wind up, I have one last question for you. Are you all finding this interesting? Yeah. So can you go for one more question? Are you ready for that? All of you? Okay. So here we go. If, okay. If door is written as 52, what is the code for the word note? What is the answer? Someone found the logic? Okay, good Nishita, good Aditya. Both of you found the logic. So I'm waiting for your answers. Very good, Sarah. Good. Good, Aditya. There you go, both of you. Very good. Good, Rishita. Sorry, Ritisha. Yeah. Well, so this is easy. D is 4, O is 15, O is 15 again, R is 18. Now add all these digits, all these numbers. 4 plus 15 plus 15 plus 18. What is the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So 2 here, 2 carry. Adding, you will get 52. So this is 52. Now apply the same here. Write the place value of all the letters of the word note and add them up. You will get the answer. 14 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5. The answer is 50. Is that clear, all of you? Yes? Okay, so that's all, people. So are you all comfortable with the class? The real sessions, when are they going to start? So you got to tell me. This was the question that was to you before the demo. So when are we going to start? August 8th? 18th. Very good. So we are going to start the session by August 18th. Yes, is that clear? So can I expect you all? Yeah. So are we all going to have fun in the sessions with learning? Very good, people. Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful session. So students, how was the session? You can write in the chat box. Do you like it?
You can expect. Thank you, Ritisha.
Amazing. Okay. Thank you, Aditya. It was wonderful. Thank you, Anya. Okay, thank you. Thank you, students. Outstanding. Thank you. So I am just sharing some links in the chat box. What you can do, you can copy the links and save somewhere. Okay. And now Janni ma'am will meet you in the live classes. Okay, students. So thank you, Janni ma'am, for the wonderful session. And thank you, students, for joining today. Now we will meet you in the live classes. Okay, bye everyone. Good night.
Okay, bye everybody. Thank you.